cows, the moo-moos, and the river. Anyways. I'll take you guys back here a little bit, show you guys what it's about. It's been a while. Grew up around here, but as you can see, it's rutted out. A lot of animals back here, so see how this goes. Ooh. Because back here, you used to go up all the way. Still can probably, but I would recommend by yourself. I'm just doing a little bike ride, especially with all the animals out right now. You never know. Even me being 6 foot tall, they'd find me a pretty good snack. And as you can see, this is American Tower Gate. You go back quite far. Honestly think this is old mine, but yeah, cool little one. Wish I could go back a little more, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think later I'll post that, maybe go to Rifle Falls. It'd be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna cruise back right now. Thought this would be a fun little video. A little short, I guess. I don't know. Nothing too much. Show you guys the environment. Test out a new little setup I got. I made it at least on my helmet, so I don't know. See how it goes. Go up the rim. Up here. You're gonna reduce it. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Good old I-70. Woo! Legs are burning. But yeah, pretty cool out here. Anyways, just carry on with this, head back home, chill for a bit. Did a lot of work up in Meeker, made some videos, even went to Aspen, so you know, a little bit everywhere. That's just how it goes. Gotta love work. I am sore from that stuff. 6 foot mansion to be crawling in a tiny attic, but I love it. Anyways, on our way back, hopefully it didn't cut out. I know it's getting low on battery. All the moo-moos. All the moo-moos. Happy beings. Excuse me. Got somebody coming up. Alright guys, this is a nice little ride. Ended off right here, overlooking the moo-moos. Hell yeah guys. Let me know if you enjoyed the stuff, but yeah, appreciate it. Get out and enjoy that. It's a beautiful day. Can't beat it right now. Anyways, have a good one guys. Peace out.